Hello rail fans, and welcome to French Fried Trains. Today, we're going to be building another freight car here, and we're going to be building this GATX tanker car. It's been a while since we've done a tank car, so it was time for an updated build with a bit more detail on it. So this is what it looks like here. Now let's get right into the build. So we're going to start off with the coupler, so take out a dark oak stair and attach that up on the second layer. Under it a sideways dark oak bent skate. Then on the next block forward, we're going to put another wheel on each rail with an end rod axle. Then in front of that, we're going to do 2 rows of 3 upside down deep slate tile stairs in a back-to-back T-shaped pattern in the center. In front of this, another set of netherite wheels and an end rod axle. Then go through and put a hopper on all 4 wheels and open 2 fence gates on the middle of each side of this truck. Then we're going to crouch and put a wither skeleton skull on each hopper. And repeat on this side as well, 1 on each hopper over here. Then in front of these wheels in the center, we need to do 2 blackstone brick top slabs like this. Then we're going to crouch, and down the middle we're going to do a line of sideways fence gates, and we're going to make that a total of 11 blocks long. Then once you have 11, we're going to put 2 blackstone brick top slabs on the middle of this end. So it should have 2 slabs at each end and 11 fence gates in the middle. Then behind this, on the next block back, a set of netherite wheels with an end rod axle. Then 2 rows of 3 upside down, deep slate tile stairs in the middle and a back-to-back T-shape. Then another set of netherite wheels and an end rod axle on this end. Then put a hopper on all 4 wheels. Open 2 fence gates on the middle on each side of this truck. And then we'll go ahead and crouch and put a wither skeleton skull on each hopper. And repeat on this side, put a wither skeleton skull on each hopper over here as well. Then at this end in the middle, we need to crouch and put 1 sideways fence gate here, and then on top of it, a dark oak stair going this way in the middle for the coupler at this end. Next, come up here on the top middle, coming off where the coupler is, and do a line of blackstone brick blocks and bring it over these slabs. Repeat on this end, so a line of blackstone brick blocks across this end over the slabs. Then up here, put a dark oak trapdoor on the top of each side. Come to this end and do the same thing, so a trapdoor here and here. And then actually on this middle, we can just go ahead and build this whole middle on top of these fence gates with our blackstone brick blocks here. Then next to this trapdoor, we're going to do a full row of upside down blackstone brick stairs facing outward across this. And we will repeat on this side, a full row of upside down blackstone brick stairs facing outward across this one as well here. Then we're going to come on this second stair in on the side of it here, and we're going to put a single dark oak fence right here, and then 1 in the same spot on this side. Then we'll add 2 horizontal chains here to the end and 2 here. And we will repeat on the other end. So on the second stair in, a dark oak fence here, and a dark oak fence here. Then 2 sideways chains here, and 2 here. Then we're going to come in front of this fence, and we're going to add 3 sideways chains this time on each side. And then we'll do a dark oak fence here, and a dark oak fence here. Then we will repeat on the other end, so come off this one, do 3 sideways chains here, and a dark oak fence. Same here, so 3 chains, and a fence. Then we're going to repeat again, so we'll do 3 chains again, on each side. It's having some trouble placing it there. And then a fence, and then a fence here. Then come over here and do the same thing, 3 chains again, and then a fence. And same thing here, 3 chains, and then a fence. Then on this center here, we're going to put a single dark oak fence gate in the middle. And same thing here, put a fence gate on the center here. Then we're going to come on top, 1 block behind where these trapdoors are. And this time we're going to go to smooth quartz block. And we're going to put 3 across this end here. And same thing in front of the trapdoors, 3 here. Then coming off this, we're going to do 8 upside down smooth quartz stairs facing outward. And then 8 on this side. And then of course repeat over here. So start on this and do 8 upside down smooth quartz stairs here. And then 8 right here. Then across this middle gap, we're going to put a row of upside down blackstone brick stairs here. And of course, repeat on this side, a row of upside down blackstone brick stairs across here as well. And actually looking at it, this ladder in the middle needs to come out by 1. So we're going to take out this center stair and this fence gate. And then we're going to put a column of 2 blackstone brick blocks here like this. And then add 2 fence gates on that. Sorry about that. Repeat on this side, so take out this, the fence gate, put in 2 blackstone brick blocks and 2 fence gates on the side, like this here. Now come on top of the end, go 5 wide of smooth quartz blocks here, and repeat on this end, 5 wide of smooth quartz blocks here. Then we're going to come to this left-hand outer edge, put 3 blocks of coal here, then 4 smooth quartz blocks. Then repeat on this side, so come to the left-hand side here, and we'll do 3 blocks of coal or smooth quartz blocks. Then we'll come and put 5 blackstone brick blocks across the middle of each side like this. Then over here in this corner, we're going to do 3 chiseled quartz blocks, a block of iron, 3 smooth quartz. Repeat on this side. So right here we're going to do 3 smooth quartz, a block of iron, and 3 chiseled quartz blocks. Then we'll come on top and do a row of smooth quartz stairs facing outward across all 4 quadrants of the smooth quartz sections on both sides like this. Then we'll add 3 smooth quartz blocks across the end here and 3 across this end. And here, 2 blackstone brick stairs on either side. Same thing over here. And a blackstone brick block on the center of each side. Then we'll put 2 fence gates on the middle here, and 2 dark oak fence gates on the middle here. Then we're going to come on the top middle and take out smooth quartz block on the center here. And put 1 on the center. Bring it across till it's aligned with the end of this smooth quartz section, right here. Repeat on this side. Then across the middle, blackstone brick blocks, 5 of them. And then smooth quartz stairs facing outward here, and across this end. Same thing on this side, a row of smooth quartz stairs across here, and here. Then in this gap, we'll put 2 blackstone brick stairs on either side, and a block in the middle. Same thing here, block in the middle, 2 stairs on either side. Then on this block, put a fence gate here, and 1 on this side right here. Then we're going to come on top, right here in the middle, put a netherite, move over 1, and put a wither skeleton skull here. A blackstone brick button on top of the netherite, and a dark oak trapdoor in the middle. Then we're going to turn this way, behind this netherite. We're going to put 3 fence gates across here. Then come behind the skeleton skull here and put 3 here. Then we'll turn this way and fence gate here, and then 1 here and here. So it looks like that on the top here. Now come down next to this ladder, and we're actually going to change this stair to an upside down bamboo stair. We'll do the same thing on the other side. So next to the ladder here, change this one to a bamboo stair upside down. Then we're going to come kitty corner to this iron block, and we're going to change this one to an upside down polished deep slate stair. And repeat on this side. Change this one to a polished deep slate stair, like that. Then next to this iron block, we're going to put 2 blackstone brick buttons here, and 2 polished blackstone buttons here. Then we're going to take a bamboo sign on this bottom layer of stairs here, put 1 sign here, and 1 sign here. Come to this side, and we're going to put 1 sign here, and 1 sign here. Then repeat over here. So we're going to put 1 sign here, 1 here. Come to this side, and we're going to put 1 here, and 1 here. Then we're going to come up next to this coal, and we're going to put 1 dark oak sign and 2 polished blackstone buttons. Repeat over here. Put 1 dark oak sign here, 2 polished blackstone buttons right here. Then we're going to come down on this side here, and we're going to put an item frame on this fence with a redstone block and turn it so it's a diamond. Repeat over on this end on this side. So an item frame with a redstone block and turn it like that. Then we're going to come on the end of the car. We're going to put 3 dark oak fences, a grindstone, and a fence. On this one, close the jungle trapdoor for the brake wheel. Then over here, we're going to put an item frame with a redstone block and turn it so it's a diamond. Then on this end, we're just going to do 5 dark oak fences across here. Then right here, we will put an item frame, redstone block, and turn it. Then up here, we're going to do 3 polished blackstone buttons here, then a dark oak sign on the left, and a button on the right. Then we'll do the same thing down here. So we'll put 3 buttons up here, 1 over here, and on the left, a dark oak sign. Then we're going to come on top here, and we'll do 8 iron trapdoors on the top middle here, and then 8 on this side right here. And there we have it, folks. We've completed our GATX tank car. I hope everyone enjoyed this build. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And everyone, have a great week. Stay safe out there, rail fans.